Java is considered as one of the most important and fundamental programming language. The advantages of Java include Java is a simple programming language because Java is easy to learn and it was designed in such a way that it is easy to write, compile, debug and learn than any other programming languages. Java does not support pointers. What is a pointer? A pointer is a variable which can hold address of another variable or object. Java does not support pointer due to security reasons, because if you get the address of any variable, you could access it anywhere from the program without any restriction. Even variable is private. Java is the first language in which the programs can be executed using web. Java applications are usually called as write once, run anywhere applications. This means a programmer can develop the Java code on one system and can expect it to run on any other Java enabled system without any adjustment. And this is all possible because of the JVM or Java Virtual Machine. Another advantages of Java include Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java is platform independent. The memory location in Java is such that the memory is divided into two parts. One is heap and another is stack. So whenever we declare a variable, JVM gives memory from either stack or heap space. So it helps to keep the information and restore it easily. Also, Java is multi-threaded, that is, it has potential for a programmer to perform many tasks at the same time. Disadvantage of Java: like any other programming language, along with all the benefits that come our way, there are some disadvantages too. So disadvantages in Java are like slow performance. Java uses a lot more memory than C. So if your application is memory bound or memory bandwidth bound, it will make it even more slow. Secondly, Java has no support for low level programming. For example, in Java there are no pointers. Java programming language and Java software platform is usually criticized for its design choices in the language and platform, including the implementation of generics, forced object-oriented programming. Like Java is not considered as fully object-oriented. The handling of the unsigned numbers, the implementation of the floating point arithmetic, and the history of security problems, etc., are all the poor features that are included in the Java programming language. Also, in Java, it takes more memory space than as comparatively as the other programming languages. Language limited latency. Java's architecture code is inefficient. There is no backup. And cost: since memory and processing requirements are higher, the hardware cost will also increase. So that is one more disadvantage of Java. So that was it. We covered all the important features of Java. What is Java? The history of Java, the features of Java, the OOPS concept, features of OOPS concept like inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, etc. We discussed each one of them in detail. Also, we covered the advantages and disadvantages of Java. We understood the difference between JRE, JDK and JVM. We also understood how a particular code or a program is executed using JRE and JVM. So in further tutorials we will discuss everything in detail. Thank you.